As usual, Ethan arrives at the university for class. After the lecture, he goes to Chiba Learning Commons to do his assignments. When he looks around, most of the places are occupied, so that he can't find a place to do his assignments and tasks. It is also a problem where a student leaves by putting his or her belongings on the desk so that others can use the seat for studying even though it's empty. Suddenly, he sees an empty study room, so he swipes his card and tries to enter, but the door is still locked. Then, he finds an empty seat, but the seat is too small and uncomfortable for studying. There isn't enough space for Ethan to do his work. But Ethan has no choice to study here as it's very competitive to find a seat. Ethan sits down and starts his work for 2 hours. When he leaves his seat to go home, Ethan saw that the study room next to him was still empty. The study room was empty for 2 hours. Therefore, our group proposed an improvement plan in such a situation. 3i Library is an intelligent, innovative, and individual space that resolves the current problems in Chiba Learning Commons. The project tries to increase the number of available study rooms and expands the size of the room when there are empty spaces. 3i Library can be installed in Chiba to provide a better space for students. The smart walls can be relocated in different situations for multiple purposes, such as creating 4 individual rooms for small groups of people, or creating 2 medium-sized rooms for 5 or 6 people, or a big room for a large group of people. Also, there are sensors implemented in the space that detects the motion in the room, so that more people can use empty rooms or unused rooms despite being booked. The sensors are connected to other functions of the room, such as LED lights that shows green when the room is empty and red when it's being used. Also, the room provides smart glass in which transparency of glass can be modified into 2 parts. One is transparent glass, and the other is a glass that doesn't show inner parts of the room. This provides improved privacy for students in Chiba. The solar panels are installed on the ceiling of 3i Library, which gains energy from sun when 3i Library is located outside of the building. This will help 3i Library architecture more energy efficient as it reduces energy consumption as well as carbon emission. UI Library's petition is inspired by a cell structure, which makes the space of inner space more uniform and ordered. While 3i Library can be separated into multiple cells to provide individual and personal experience to students, the partitions can be also removed easily by a user to provide group experience to multiple individuals. This breaks the conventional biological concept of cells, which makes our design more innovative, and this feature will deliver a pleasant experience to students. By placing 3i Library in Chiba Learning Commons, Chiba Learning Commons can be more space efficient and provide multi-purposed areas for students at HKU. This will also solve current problems such as having insufficient number of spaces for studying and empty rooms for not being used. In summary, 3i Library is an intelligent block of study spaces that provides a sense of pleasure and improve user experience to students. We strongly believe that this can make a difference in their lives.